Hello, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Amor Castro Igos. I'm from Hibon, Nabasaklan, Philippines. I'm 42 years old and I have a living partner and I'm a mother for my 5 kids. The ages is 20, 17, 14, 11, and 6. My height is 150 centimeters and my weight is 52 kilograms. I am a secondary graduate and my hobbies is playing a baby, singing, and dancing. Before, I worked as a domestic helper in Dubai within 2 years and Muscat, Oman within 3 years and 6 months. I serve as 7 person in the family, 2 adults, 1 newborn baby, and toddlers. My duties are helping to teaching a baby how to become a good person, taking care of baby, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, ironing, and cleaning the house. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn the money for my family needs and to save a money for my kids' future. Before to end my introduction, I want to share a song. The title is Johnny Johnny. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. And the second is watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Thank you. I hope you like my song. And to my future employers, please hire me as your helper because I'm a loyal, honesty, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and my responsibilities. Thank you. I hope I would like to working with you there in Hong Kong. Thank you.